Ode, Intimation of Immortality, is Jobert's first poem. It published in 1807, though it is written partially in 1803 and partially in 1806 at Town End, and its title is Ode Intimations of Immortality from Recollections of Early Childhood, and it is an irregular ode in the form of an address, dignified in style, feeling, and tone. The ode in the 1807 edition, Poems in 2 volumes, has the motto Paulo Majoro Canames. The motto means let us sing of things a little more elevated, or let us sing a somewhat loftier, nobler song. In 1815, he revises the poem and prefixes to it the lines of the rainbow: the child is the father of man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity, at the suggestion of Henry Crabb Robinson. And the long title suggests the theme: the knowledge of the soul's immortality is based on memories of childhood, and one is aware of this immortality in the childhood, but this memory fades from one's mind with the growing years. And the child's knowledge of the immortality is based on memories of his life in heaven before his birth. Hence, the focal point is the doctrine of the remancing. The truth of this doctrine cannot be verified from experiences, so it lacks the universal appeal. The poet idealizes the child. He calls him a mighty prophet, seer, blessed, and the best philosopher. He is thankful to the memories of childhood, not so much for innocence, delights, and freedom, but for doubts concerning the reality of the external world. He thinks of a compensation. No doubt he has lost the vision of childhood, but he's become more human and maturer than before. He has developed sympathy for his fellow beings. He is sure that there is a life beyond this life. And with the passage of time, his vision of nature has become sober, and now he can see something nobler and wiser in the humble objects of nature. It seems that Wordsworth might have borrowed the idea from Henry Vaughan's The Retreat. For more English literature content, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.